Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math test the day before. First, quickly review your notes and textbooks to refresh your memory on essential formulas and definitions. Don't try to learn new material. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Pinpoint the topics where you feel least confident so you can prioritize your study time effectively. This focused approach ensures you make the most of your limited preparation time. Next, dive into practice problems. Work through a few examples for each major topic to solidify your understanding. Don't just read solutions, actively solve the problems yourself. If you struggled with specific homework questions previously, now is the time to reattempt them. Always check your answers to ensure accuracy and to identify any recurring errors. This hands-on practice is crucial for building confidence. It's vital to prioritize your well-being. Aim for at least 8 hours of quality sleep the night before your test. A well-rested mind performs much better. Gather all necessary materials, like pencils, erasers, and a calculator, the evening prior to avoid morning stress. On test day, eat a balanced and nutritious meal to fuel your brain. A calm and prepared mindset is just as important as your studying. Before heading to your test, take a quick light review of your most important notes. Once the test begins, read all instructions thoroughly before answering any questions. Manage your time wisely, perhaps by tackling easier problems first to build momentum. If you get stuck, move on and return later. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and do your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.